Hello everyone. Today I am trying to show you how to solve the issue. The action can't be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. To fix this problem, click on the Start menu and type msconfig. Once the system configuration appears, click on it and then go to the Services tab. Check the box to hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable All button, then click Apply. Next, click on the Startup tab and select Open Task Manager. Right-click on each app and select Disable. Close the Task Manager and click OK. Now restart your computer. After restarting, try to delete your desired files or folder. Hope your problem is solved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like. Take care.